good, guys. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Been getting tons of work done. This bike is looking absolutely insane. The camera does not do it justice. It's absolutely gorgeous in person. Clutch is on, it's working buttery smooth, brand new cable, everything's lubed and greased, and obviously brand new clutch inside of the engine. Throttle is working, I didn't even have to adjust it. It's just perfect the way it is. Again, brand new cables, new throttle tube, everything cleaned out. Exhaust is on, intake is on, everything is set. We just need to put the ECU in here, which I'm holding in my hand. This is the original ECU that came off of the bike. I sent it to TokyoMods. I absolutely love these guys and the work that they do. So this ECU has been given a custom map, and you can tell them whatever you want to use the bike for. If it's supermoto, flat track, motocross, enduro, they'll send you a custom map for that riding. So I told them about all the modifications we've done with the high flow intake. It has an exhaust, all the new engine internals, including the stainless steel valves. And I wanted them to create a smooth and torquey and just all around usable power so that this bike will be fun to ride every day. It won't be overly aggressive, but when you take this bad boy out on a track, it's going to haul ass. So they'll do this ECU reflash for you for $100. You just gotta ship it to them. So it obviously cost me a lot to ship it to California here from Mexico, but they were nice enough to give me a little discount. And I'm telling you guys, it doesn't matter if you put a pipe on your bike, that's just gonna make it run worse. These ECU reflashes make a world of difference. They completely change the way the bike rides, and it's definitely something you should consider doing. So I'm gonna throw that sucker in there, and then we are taking this baby over to JAX Moto. I'm so excited, you guys. They also gave me a paper with the total hours of runtime on the engine, which was actually 205 hours. So that explains why this bike was so thrashed when I got it. But I think that's really nice of them to do, and if you have a used bike and you send it in, you'll get to know exactly how many hours were on the motorcycle. Everybody, first of all, just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. The wife and I are having some tamales, which is Mexican tradition here, at least for us. And hope you guys think the bike looks sick. I'm absolutely in love with it. Right now it's at JAX Moto. It's getting a bunch of electrical wiring done, all the lights, the key switch, the fan, that stuff. I've also done some more work to the bike since then. I decided to split the video into 2 parts because I still have a lot more to do and I didn't want to wait a few more weeks to give you guys a video.
Yum in your tummy. Good stuff.
Good stuff. Tamales de San Juan.
No, son de Pedro, mi primo.
This one? Also, we hit 28,000 subscribers the other week, so thank you guys for that. I love all of you guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, tons of stuff coming. We're wrapping this build up soon. Make sure you give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, fam.